Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Marhaba. Assalamu alaikum. Kushamdeed. Welcome back to Fiya Foods. Hope you're doing well. In today's recipe, I'll be making peppermint crisp tart. This tart is a South African fridge tart that will satisfy anyone's sweet tooth. To make this tart, you will be needing caramel treat, whipping cream or Olay whip, peppermint crisp. If not available, you can use any chocolate that has mint in it, and Tennis coconut biscuits. If you don't have Tennis biscuits, then you can use any vanilla biscuit and spread coconut on it. To make this recipe, you will be needing to use a few bowls. In a bowl, add the whipping cream or Olay whip and whip it until it becomes a thick texture. Then in another bowl, add the caramel treats and soften it up. Grate the peppermint crisp chocolate, or you can also cut it into chunks if you like bigger pieces of chocolate in your dessert. In the whipped cream bowl, add the caramel treats and fold in the texture. Do not mix it because the whipping cream will lose its texture, so you have to fold it in. Once the caramel is folded into the cream, add in the peppermint crisp chocolate and fold into the mixture. Please don't skip this video and watch it full, as it really helps out my channel. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video. In a square pan or casserole, add a layer of Tennis biscuits. Then add a layer of the cream mix that we've made. Spread the mixture over the biscuits. Add another layer of biscuits. Add the last layer of cream over the biscuits and use all the mixture to spread the cream over. Make a nice design on top and grate more chocolate or cut it into chunks and spread it over the mixture to make a nice design. Let the tart set in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours and then it will be ready to serve. Enjoy this dessert. Thank you for watching. Bye.